Remember late nights cruising and wasn't nothing to it. Licking up the shit, we about to make a movie. Pouring up a cup, we about to set the mood in the cup, rolling up, smoking something groovy. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Got somebody that you loving well, oh well. Faking innocence and I won't tell. Little bit of ghetto and a little bit of bougie. Ain't afraid to get this in a motel. Love calling my name, love playing my games. You ain't got no shake, but am I part the plan? I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. Girl, you cold-hearted. Revelations that I had, girl, you so scarlet. I be tucking down on your garments while your man back at home rolling red carpets. But I'ma send it too. Think about the pressure I'ma get to you. Ain't no lies told with me in the nude. Leave me one more like a motherfucking interlude. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying. I get excited when you're not biased. Love is in my head, I won't stop trying.
Alright, morning guys. How's the chat? How are we doing? What's up guys? Hope we're doing good. How's everybody doing? I'll just check this exposure at the back. Yeah, there we go. Much better, much better. Let's get that YouTube chat up quickly. Let's get the MFX members in. Okay, right, you are sorted. Hope everyone's doing good. Mark, good morning, my brother. I am great, my man. All good. Glad to see you doing good as well. Let's get the show on the road, guys. You can see you got a lot of volume coming in. This is March for you. This is March. This is March. March is here, boys. March is here. So I went ahead and put up our win rate percentage as well so far on stream, and then for the month, so you guys can keep track of that as well. Yeah, MFX members, you in? Morning brothers, how are you? Everybody good? Chris, don't forget our meeting at 1 PM. Okay guys, let's get an analysis going here. Morning brother, morning. 100% sorted. Right, let's get an analysis going here. Let's see what's happening or what has happened. I see GJ is moving. And it's pretty much in that area of yesterday. Gold, my god. Look at this. Jeez. This is right. This is what we need, boys. Volume. That's all we need. Okay, let's see how we're gonna tackle GJ, how we're gonna tackle gold. I'm gonna focus on GJ first because it is moving. So that's probably gonna be the last pair that I can actually get on because it's moving already. Let's have a look-see. Let's have a look-see. Whew, that weekly. My word. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready for some breakdowns? Yeah, so as you have noticed, boys, we didn't have a lacquer intro today. No rocking music to get us hyped, unfortunately, because yeah, we're getting flagged for copyright issues. So I've had to remove those beautiful intro songs and just play the non-copyright music. But all I'll do is I'll try to get a more uppity beat for the intro and the non-copyright. It's just not going to be what I really want, to be honest with you. Because the intro music is obviously like what gets me hyped up before my sessions, you know? This background music doesn't do that. Okay, let's have a look at GJ, boys. Now trading below 2 weeks lows, right? That's the first thing. The area that we rejected off was the area on the left hand side, as we mentioned for the whole week. This area over here is where we're rejecting off of, with an idea that if we reject off of there, we should come down to the 187,500 level, especially now with the fact that we are trading below last week's low as well as 2 weeks ago's low. Okay, however, something I need to understand is where price is at right now is also at a weekly liquidity level. So it's one of two things: we're gonna break and retest the zone and drop, or we're gonna bounce off of that area. Let's see what we're actually gonna do on that lower time frame. Okay, come down to my daily. I can't, or I don't, sorry, not I can't, but I don't even need to mark out my previous daily lows or highs because we're far from that. We've actually left the building on that. She's just been dropping all Asia. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and mark in my daily liquidity zones, because this is the same key level as my weekly. Okay, so I'm gonna mark that out right now, as well as this support low, just in case price decides to actually creep below that. Okay, I'm then going to come to my 4 hour, and I just want to see that market structure. We're flipping bearish. Sorry, she's flipped bearish already. So on that 4 hour, we flipped bearish at that point. 4 hours bearish. And 30 minutes is obviously bearish, right? So it's got to change these two. So these two, so we're listening to the 2v2 right now. 2v2. And yeah, what we're gonna anticipate is that it's gonna be an either or move. So it's gonna be a bounce off of the liquidity zone, or it's going to be a drive below and price to actually start trading below. I just wanna tweak the zone to that area. I'm gonna have, what's this for, right? So I'm gonna have another liquidity level here actually. Is that low? Bit lower than that, and then this area should be fine. Quite happy with that. Okay, first things first, how and when am I able to actually trade this? Okay, where price is right now, we've had market structure doing this. What is that? Yeah, we've had market structure doing this where we had that resistance point, price broke up, retested this area, grabbed liquidity and started to drive. So this was the drive, right? This is the drive. This is price turning bearish. Over here we've got price then pulling back in, flipping us back bullish, making that low, another high, breaking that area again. So technically we're bearish, we've broke that, everything has broke that, there just hasn't been a retest yet. That's something I wanted to show you guys. There hasn't been a retest yet. So where I am right now on this area, there is still a strong possibility that I could reject off of this level and drive up. That's something I need to know, because there is no retest of this area yet. There's just been a pause. Okay. However, because there's been a pause and it's broken that floor, it's not a must that it has to retest. You with me? So if price does start to close below you on, let's say, that 30-minute time frame, I can look for the close, the retest, and the drive on my lower time frame. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be then seeing price being below this level, right? So let me get to that 30-minute for you quickly. So I need something like this where price is below the level. Okay. Then I look to the left-hand side and I can see that this was an area, right? This was the area prior. This was the area that consolidated for a while. Eventually price broke out. Okay, so understanding that this level is my resistance and this level is my support, I can then look to mimic that by doing the same thing on the right hand side, which means that I can then can I just make sure when you enter the room that your mic is on mute, please? Yeah, so what I'm then going to do is I'm going to try and mimic that by having this as my resistance area, which is that, down to support, which is that. So it's going to look like this on the 4 hour, where I'm pretty much trading from these highs to these lows, with this being that first target area, which is that. Okay, essentially you're trading the overall range, which will come down to there, but first target for us is going to be this. Before we even look at that, we're going to look at that. Okay, so that will be my play today for shorts on GJ. However, before I can even think of pressing a sell button, I need some sort of resistance, which I don't have at the moment. So I won't just be selling because price is closing below. I need some sort of stall in this area. I've got that on the 15, which is nice, and I've got that on the 5, which is nice. You have a 5-minute support, you have a 5-minute resistance. A break of that floor should then initiate some short positions. So that is then fine, because I'm going with that current downtrend, which is right now nice right now. One thing I just do want us to note that I would just prefer the 30-minute to stall, just because it's already given us a large move, which is that from QB down. However, if it doesn't do that and that 5-minute floor does break, I will be fine with that. It's just that I'll be more comfortable with price stalling here on the 30-minute before it actually closes below and we get involved. So that will be the play for the sells. If it buys above above 189,390 is going to be the only time I can actually buy, boys. Unless I start getting a better type 3 setup over here. At the moment, that's the only time I can actually buy, and even so, it will still be aggressive. The reason why I want to buy above there is because there's my 2 candlestick pullback, which means that if it breaks its high, it's flipping that 30-minute back to bullish, which means it's going to be easy tickets for a buy. Okay, so let's go ahead and mark in that zone. Let's go ahead, get that zone up. Yeah, that's gonna be it for me, guys. If we start trading above the level of 189,418, that is where I can buy. Nothing really until then, guys, unless we're gonna do aggressive type 3s, which can happen, but obviously I need a better setup. So there's safe buys, and here is going to be safe shorts. Obviously we need that confluences to line up, guys. We need those confluences to line up. That is super important. If I don't get those confluences, obviously I just want to execute the position, guys. 4 hourly is looking nice as well. Price has retested the 30-minute area, although the only issue is not a 4-hour retest, which isn't the biggest problem, but just off where we are right now, which is a major 4-hour liquidity zone, I just have to be cautious, okay? Because I can clearly see that this area where it was prior has tested once, twice, thrice, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So it could test and drive away from this level. So it's very important for me to see that price closes below, preferably on the 30-minute, with the 30-minute sort of resistance area, with the 30-minute also giving us indication that it's grabbing liquidities. So that is what I want to see there. We are seeing some lack of volume on GJ at the moment, but yeah. On the forefront for news, what are we looking at? Unemployment claims, that's going to be a big one, 3:30 today. Okay, and then yeah, that's the biggest one for me actually. And then 5 o'clock, the federal chair Powell testifies. That is also important, but most importantly, unemployment claims, that's going to drive us the most today. So anybody trading in one session, just be aware of that. Regarding our session right now, we got nothing, so we're clear for just technicals at the moment. It's just that we need to wait for that setup. Wait for that setup, and then we can execute. So above here, type 4s, below here, type 4s. Just gonna have to wait for closes and retests and resistance, which I have on the 15, I have on the 5. Is it enough though? That is the question. So what I'm doing is we're gonna have to wait for that 10 o'clock London open, boys. So on GJ no go at the moment, although I do see a setup slowly forming. We will get onto that as soon as she sets up the way I need it. Okay, let's have a look at gold and see what is happening there. Yo, this weekly is nuts, dude. Yeah, so as pretty much predicted at the beginning of the month, 2150 has been tapped. Came to fill that wick as we predicted. It has been tapped, boys. It's been tapped. So yo, at this point, now at all-time highs. That's a tough one. That's a tough one. because we could just continue with that trend, or we could start a mad melt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and mark in today's low, because technically if it's going to go and make its low then break highs, it should not come and break the lows, right? If it's going to do that, I am going to think we can start to short off. Okay, so let me go ahead and mark in 4-hour liquidity zone. As I can see right now, it's more majority being I think it's more majority just being 30-minute major airs right now, guys. We're in no man's land right now, so we're just trading off the bat, you know. Which isn't the nicest, because you don't really know what you're trading into. Okay, 4-hour zones done. I'm just gonna keep this in mind that if I can flip that daily bearish, I'm gonna look to short it. However, guys, if we just keep on breaking highs, we just keep on taking buys. As simple as that. As simple as that. Okay, so I've got 30-minute resistance, I've got a 4-minute liquidity level, which is actually very messy. So I think for me, actually wait, I have to leave like that. We are becoming very messy on gold, eh? That is one thing I'm noticing right now. We're becoming very messy, boys. Okay, so 4 resistance, 30-minute support. It's as simple as this. This is going to be the play for me today. Type 4 buys above the high. Like I said, we don't, even though you're like pushed so much, and there is a possibility for shorts, you don't know that it's going to short. So every setup that lines up for those long positions, you got to take it, right? You got to take it. And our targets will be 21.75. That is nuts. That is nuts, guys. This week, it's absolutely insane. Actually go to that month and just show you what we've been doing for the year. Look at this. Absolutely insane. Crazy. We're breaking highs, boys, and we are just driving. So on this 30-minute right now, we've got a beautiful setup. So to be honest, we're more than likely going to get a gold trade today in opposed to a GJ trade. So if we have a look at it, we currently have resistance, we've got support. The break of that will enter phase 1 of the correction. I want to trade phase 2 of the correction, which means that there's going to be another liquidity zone over there, which there is. Let me just do this. Right? And I'll then mod this area to that, and our aggressive shorts will become in this area. Will come in this area. Where is that thing, you know? Oh, there we go. Aggressive shorts in here. That's gonna be very aggressive, guys. It's gonna be counter trending as well as in a choppy area, no LTA. That's going to be tough. So I might actually not even do it. If we do start trading below here, price to come back down and retesting, this will probably be the easier play, because then you're from resistance to support. So even though it's the phase 1, I think I personally will be more comfortable with the phase 1 at the moment, just because it's the easier play, right? So you want that 30 close below, next candle to start popping up and driving down, and you mimic the resistance to support level. This is 60 pip area. Okay, however, guys, we're still overall bullish, we're still super bullish, right? So even though that can happen and that will be a play, let me actually move this up here. I think I'll do that earlier once, and that will be a play if we break these highs, right? So grab liquidity and start to drive. If we break the highs, guys, we can do type 4s. That's for sure. For sure. So that's going to be me on gold today. It's just a waiting game. At the moment, it's basic market structure. We have resistance, you have price driving, you have the retest. Price should actually do that. But because of where we are on the higher time frame, it might stall. it might break lows. So the best thing for me to do is just sit on my hands until I either have a break below a retest and a drive, or break above a retest and a drive. Here, no trade area. Sorry, not a tick. Let's make that an X for no trade range for me. I don't want to buy the lows. I don't want to do anything of that just because of where we are. I won't do a type 2 in this case because of where we are. So a type 2 works if you know where you're trading into. You don't know where you're trading into at the moment. So at the moment, this for me is a no trade range. Got safe buys up here with aggressive shorts over there. We have to sit on our hands. Okay. We gotta sit on our hands, guys. And then, yeah, GJ, you've got open in 7 minutes. You got open in 7 minutes, so we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Morning, Jordan. Morning, brother. Hope you're doing good, my man. Miles, could you please explain smart drawdown on funded accounts and how it actually works? Smart drawdown, what is that? What is smart drawdown? Woke up recently, still just putting up your nose stress. Jeff, my brother, shot, my man, I appreciate that. I think we'll pull you up to the 2G stream and show you guys some love now as well. Are you streaming today? I don't know if you're streaming today, but if you are, all the best, my man. Kill it. Yeah, Chris, smart drawdown? I've never heard of that. Could you explain where you heard that from? I've never heard of that one, my brother. Smart drawdown. Anybody in the chat heard of smart drawdown? I don't know if you maybe. I don't know. I've never heard of that. So I can't explain because I don't know. Never heard of that. Anybody heard of smart drawdown? Calvin Rivas, what's up, my man? Hope you're doing good. Right, let's see. GJ is breaking that 5-minute floor right now. 15 floor breaking. We got 5 minutes, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for the close, okay? That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna wait for that close. Chris, brother, I can't answer that question. I don't know what you mean. Do you mean managing the position or? I don't know. Don't know about that one, my man. But yeah, that's us on the pairs. Drop a W in the chat if you understand my plan for GJ and you understand my plan for gold today. Drop some W's in the chat if you get that. So as tempting as GJ is, we've got 4 minutes till open, boys. I'm gonna sit on my hands until that is done. Just get the open, and then I'll trade after that open. Just because I also want a close below the level on that 30, guys. I do see the setup on it. If it was different timing, I would have probably taken some shorts. However, I would rather just want to get price to close below, and that might mean I'm going to miss the position, because essentially what I want was this 5-minute floor to break. I then would have taken short positions, let's say over there, with my stop for 30 pips for price to drive down to the lows. Why I'm not getting in yet is because I don't have that 30 confirmation, which means I also don't have a 30-minute resistance, and I've got open in 3 minutes though, so I'm going to wait on this one, my guys. Okay, patience is going to be my doctor today. Yeah, bro, I'm only finished work at 6 a.m. Yo, Jordan, I'll get to you back on that personal message straight after stream. So, I will get back to you. 2 minutes, guys. And if that means I missed the trade right now, I'm fine with it. As juicy as it looks, we've got to sit on hands, boys. Got to sit on my hands. Chris student. Let me see. Smart. What is this? With a what prop firm is this? That you sent me. which prop firm is that? Chris, which prop firm is that? These dudes make up their own words just to sound cool. Let's pop it in the chat, or you can WhatsApp it to me, whatever. I don't think I've seen that logo before. What is it? Okay, so we are, what, 10 seconds until market open right now? So obviously on that position that I would have taken, guys, would have been in beautiful profit right now. It's just that because we have market open in the next 3 seconds, anything can happen. So I'd rather let the candle close and then we'll trade after that, okay? So this candle did close below with little to no bottom wick. That is not what I really want. And then also, if we look to the left hand side, my guys, we can clearly see that we have this area of liquidity over here. You see that? So I don't like that. I really don't like that. So the way GJ looks right now, guys, look, it can drop, it can run, but I think I'm gonna sit on my hands on this one, boys. RJ, yeah, boys, Uncle Rob's right. RJ, Ricky, is that you? Must be you. Must be you. We miss you too, bro. You gotta join up. Gotta join up. What's that, Chris? Instant funding IO. Who is that? Instant funding IO. Bro, I've never heard of them. Anybody heard of the prop firm called Instant Funding IO? Where did you find them, my brother? I've never heard of them in my life. Never heard of them. Uncle Robs, if you can hear me, I can't mute you, but your mic is relaying a replay from the YouTube stream. Just check that for me, please. Yeah, Chris, bro, I think they just, I'll explain to you that. I'll explain that to you now. So have a look at this little, this thing here. Guys, I feel like me. Hold on. Uncle Robs, if you can hear me. There we go. Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, I feel like me getting onto this trade is just going to be for, you know, I'm just jumping on for no reason, so I'm not going to, guys. That's not meeting my criteria. Let me answer that question. You know what, Chris, I feel like with what they're trying to say there is just trying to complicate stuff for you. So the best way that I can explain it to you, when on you're funded, you can't surpass 5% of equity drawdown and you can't surpass either 10 or 12% of overall drawdown depending on your actual challenge. Okay, I think they're trying to complicate it by telling you smart drawdown. So yeah, boys, I'm just waiting at the moment. If anybody, because I mean the setup is there, it's just a bit too aggressive for my liking. I also don't like the close of the previous 30-minute. If anybody does want to take it, you guys are more than welcome to, but for me personally it's going to be a pass. And that's what discipline takes within the trading market, is to see something, and if it doesn't sit with your criteria that well, you can just leave it. It is a safe area now. We have close below. We do have that 15 resistance over there. It's just that if I take this position right now, I actually want the stop to be above the resistance, and it can't. It's 50 pips away. It's too far. Which means that the trade which I would have taken, which I could have, which was here, which is the 5-minute break of the floor, that would have been perfect. However, because I was so close to London Open, as well as not having a confirmation below that key level, that's why I didn't take the trade. So at the moment, I'm sitting on my hands and I'm going to wait for a setup. It's only 5 past 10. I'm not going to just take anything. Okay? And then on gold, we're still just sitting on our hands and waiting. Just gotta stick to your plan all the time. All the time, gotta stick to your plan, guys. There we go. So sticking to my rules, sticking to my plan always saves me, right? What GJ is doing at the moment. And if it's one thing that okay, whoever's watching this stream would have then learned it by now. Guys, these closes, the candle closes are so important. There's little to no bottom wick, which is a Maribozu, which baby pips teach you is a continuation. I'm telling you, it's the opposite. If it's in the liquidity area, it's actually a reversal. So look where it is, right? This is the liquidity area right here. Liquidity, 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 liquidity all around. Look how this candle's closing in the area. Strong Maribozu in liquidity. I'm telling you, and you can journal this. That is a reversal. Baby pips, and a lot of people tell you it's continuation. It's not. Through my experience in the years, this has taught me that it's actually a reversal in a liquidity area. Okay. So we're just gonna wait. While we wait, 2Gs always comes to our stream and shows us some love. So let's go show them some love, guys. Let's go to their page. Just type in MFX love. That's all you gotta do. So let's go show them some love. Everybody in my stream, everybody in my chat. 2Gs. What's it called? 2 days trading. Why does it never pop up? They are live. Guys, just go to their chat and just go show them some love. They're always pulling up to our chat and giving us some love, so let's go do the same for them. When this thing decides to load. Oh, they got load shedding? Let's just ban them anyway. They have load shedding? Damn, it's tough, bro. That's tough, that's tough. Oh, they gone. Damn, they got load shedding. I mean, yeah, about Jeff, I think they do have load shedding. I think they do have load shedding. Why does this always happen? Like when I want to go show them love, they're either not streaming or they have load shedding or something. Oh shit, that's tough. Okay, well, next tomorrow, whenever we'll show them love tomorrow. That's the main thing. Just want to show them love, guys. Gotta show our supporters love, and gotta give love, man. Kevin Rivas, do I teach people how to trade? Yes, I do, my good sir. Besides these streams that is for free, if you want to really level up your trading, join my Patreon. So you'll see there's a link in my description to my Patreon. Everything is there that you need from A to Z. Pre-recorded content is there. One-on-one session is there. The MFX community is there. Live trading is there. Everything you need from A to Z is there. Next level mentorship. That's a month-to-month access. So you can come for a month. If you don't like it, you can leave. All of that. It's a. Let me show you guys. I never actually pulled the page up, but see if I pull the page up, I'm gonna be signed in. So let me sign out quickly. Let me get it up for you. Yeah, and I see a lot of people sign up as free members. That guys that don't, you won't get any content from that. That just makes you like get notifications. You won't get any content, nothing like that. You actually have to be a paying member. So let me show you guys. So let me just sign out. I go to sign out. Okay, let's try that again. Yes, sir. Okay. So, for those that want to see, or yeah, they got load shedding, guys. Yeah, where's it? So you go to YouTube, obviously, or you can go to YouTube, you can go to my IG, you can go wherever. This is the current stream. So right here, guys, join our membership. This is the broker that I recommend with my link. This is my IG, so you can click on that. It'll take you to the Millennial FX IG. If you click on this, it'll take you to the Patreon. Okay, so this is where you sign up. Join for free. Obviously, you're not gonna get anything, right? Why does it keep signing me in automatically? Oh, why don't be signed in? Why does it keep signing me in, bro? Okay. Joining for free, just it won't get you any access to anything. Okay. You need to actually go ahead and choose the mentorship. Yeah, so you need to actually click on the mentorship. There is a 10% discount if you sign up for a year, which makes it then $42. I think you save, if you do the calculation, you save like a month and a half worth of membership, which is awesome. Other than that, if you just want to come for your month to month, it is $47. You get access to all of my content. Yeah, there's actually a lot of content. It's my entire course, simple, straightforward. So yeah, entire method of trading, one-on-one sessions with myself, live trading, student support group, private broadcast group, my free signals, which is with what you see in the lives. Then you get your accountability calls, you get your breakdowns, 24 hours, 24/7 support. As yeah, we obviously have people that's around the entire world, so I can't just have it in SA time. And then we do giveaways as well, and then obviously our accountability calls and exclusive content, which means that any new thing that comes out, you guys get before any other platform. And that's all for 47 bucks, so it's actually ridiculously cheap. It's actually stupid cheap. So yes, I do offer what's it? How to teach people how to trade, so it's more than just the YouTube. Yes, guys, we're at 122 subs. Last week I was like, guys, let's get to 100. Bro, we're moving, we're moving. So shot for that, guys. I appreciate the support. So just do me a favor, go and like the video or like the stream that you're currently on, and then subscribe to the YouTube that we're currently we're trading. Also, Millennial FX, go subscribe to that channel. Ricky, you must come back, bruh. Yes, he should. Danny, they were away for 2 days on the trip, and today stream. Okay, I got you. Yeah. No, Jay just told me now. Yeah. What time zone am I in? I'm from South Africa, brother, so that's going to be GMT +2. So I trade London, so I trade now in the morning, 9:30 until 12. Well, until we actually target. I think yesterday we signed off early because we target early, even though we took 2 trades. The day before that also we target early. But then what I like to do with the guys is we do like a Wordle or a word connect or something, just to like clear our minds off of it. Yeah. 27 gents in the chat. If you're a gamer, if you play like COD or Fortnite or something like that, just say yes in the chat. Just curious. Out of curiosity. Because I saw something really cool yesterday. Some gents after the stream will like stream their gaming just for like 20 minutes or something like that. And I feel like us as traders, like, surely there's a lot of things we can relate to because we do have a lot of time in our hands. So, besides the outdoorsy things, you know? Yes, COD is bast. Yeah, COD is good to start raging. Yeah, COD stirs up like a rage. COD's the reason why you have to be a forex trader, because you have to be able to buy extra control when it breaks, right? For the frustration that you go through. Yes, you see, like a lot of guys play COD. Teaches you emotional control. Yeah, I second that. I second that, dude. It's so true. Hectic. COD again yesterday, guys. You like COD, eh? For some reason I didn't get into gaming. It was because of the load shedding that you have so often. Could be that. Where's Jordan today's quiet? He's sleeping on the stream. Working late against you, sleeping on the stream. Okay, boys, so at the moment, it's just a patience game. Waiting for that setup to form. We know what you want, though. Any questions, let me know, guys. Pop it in the chat. Guys, and I would highly recommend you do yourself a favor. Like, yesterday's stream and the stream before yesterday, the knowledge that I dropped was fire. So go watch those videos again. Definitely go watch them again. Even myself, I went and like watched it again. Especially when it was a Tuesday's webinar. I spoke quite a bit about psychology, so definitely go and check that out. Kevin Rivas, I see you. Are you from? Wait, what country are you from? Because you're asking me time zone. Which country are you from? If you're still here. Nah, I woke up with loaching or suffering without coffee, but I'm ready now. I got you. Good question. Besides backtesting, do you ever look at your chart after London session? No. Honestly speaking, once I'm done, I don't look at the chart again. However, my mates they traders. I've got 3 bras and they are traders. So we have one dude in the group, and I'm not gonna mention his name, but he will always tell us, guys, go check and gold. So that will obviously make me go and look, you know. So yeah. Yeah, it's them, bro. So yeah, that will make me go and look. But regarding myself going to actually trade another session and sitting there and watching charts, nah, I don't do it. I feel like what you do prior and after your trading subconsciously reinforces your routine. So if I'm gonna I had to out you, bro. So if I consistently do that, it's obviously going to do something to my trading, and then it's gonna lead me to go back to where I was when I started trading, and that's trading 24/7. And we don't want that, because then it messes with what's the name? Our psychology, because then there's just no routine, like we have no discipline then, right? So that's why I do it the way I do. London, klar, done. Obviously it depends where you are in your career, because if it's in the beginning, it's fine to look everywhere, because at that time you kind of still finding your footsteps and your way in the trading market, so I guess it's fine. You also need to find which session works for you, so it's fine. Which pairs work for you, and that's fine. However, once you come to your point of this is what I'm doing, etc, etc, there's no need to go and wake up early to go check what Asian's doing, or stay on late to see what gold's doing, or whatever. So that's why sometimes I jump on the stream, I'm like, damn, look how gold actually moved, because I don't go and check the charts. Which is how it should be, right? Welcome Cryptic Czar. What's up, my bro? Martian Manifest, welcome, my brother. And then also Mark, I don't like you're gonna get to a point in your trading career where you just don't backtest anymore. Unless you're trying to implement market adaptation. Like I don't backtest anymore. That's done. Like I explained to you guys, you got 10,000 hours in the charts, and you get 10,000 hours backtesting. Chart 10,000 hours is totally different. You should do both though. You should definitely do both. Everybody should be backtesting their strategy, 100%. However, after that, you got to apply that to the real world. You got to actually apply that to the chart. So yeah, then it's a bit different there. We got to put in the time into that. That's a whole different ball game. I'm starting to like what I see now on gold. On GJ. Is that retested price starting to drive it? I think if we can break that floor again, guys, we should drop to the next liquidity level of 188, psychological number. So that's something I'll be looking at right now, guys. Because I understand there is liquidity to the left hand side. Excuse me. Yeah, it's just that if we break that floor, guys, we should then trade that resistance and that as support, so we should drop. But obviously I need to be patient with it, and at that time it also gets us to an area where we can then have a smaller stop loss, which I need. I don't want anything bigger than 30 pips, guys. And then the tradable area is 25. I just saw your message now, two smoke folks. Incognito window, what's that? Look on the side. Not signed in. Just want to mark this out because this will definitely be a target area. So yeah, what's the time? I've got 8 minutes left for that 30. We got the 30-minute close already. I just want price to break its floor again. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Shot. Mr. Computer Guy. Guys, we have our own technician on board here. Ask him anything, he'll sort you out to the PC, bro. Mark Puller, yeah, I'm asking because I want to eradicate every bad habit in civil armor training. 100%, dude. That's what you gotta do. Like I said, it's just plateaus, guys. You just gotta level up the whole time. 2 computer folks. 2 computer folks. So this guy's the cracker of the group, eh? From 2 smoke folks to 2 cycle folks, 2 computer folks. He does have 2 computers, I'm not even gonna lie. He has 2. So it works. Yeah. Look, Mark, like I said, that's your the biggest part of your trading is your psych, your routine, and your discipline. Obviously everything falls under the psychology side of it, but that's so important. You can have the awesome strategy that works, but small things can jeopardize your trading. And me as a mentor, I've seen it happen to other people besides myself. So that's why I can vouch for that. Like, you gotta, those bad habits, you don't even realize you're creating a habit for yourself, but you're doing it. Especially, like, I would say, like, when you pass 3 years of trading, right? There's no ways that you shouldn't have a routine, and there's no ways that you shouldn't have discipline. After your 3rd year, come on now. You can't be making the same mistakes. You with me? So if you're still watching the chart the whole day, nearpa, then you actually want to make trading a 9 to 5. And for me personally, I don't want that. Besides the money that's in trading, I want it for the freedom of time and freedom of choice. I want to do what I do, when I want to do it, no questions asked. I don't want to sit in front of the chart the whole day. Because someone that went through mental phases, if I can put it like that, bro, it's not a plaything. Trading can tap into your mental in ways that you don't even know. So you gotta have reinforced discipline. And that's something I only learned after my situation. Yeah, and that's why I think my discipline is so strong today. Is you don't just do it because you want to, or because you're bored, or you have nothing else to do. I've been here since day 2 of the stream, and honestly I've cut out most of the rubbish I was doing that stressed me out. Then I'm doing the right thing, right? Then me speaking the whole time actually gets into your ear, which is good. I'm happy. That makes me happy. It means I'm doing the right thing. And you're like, I know I keep going back to the podcast, but I spoke so much there. Obviously, like, even after the podcast, Keegs and Jeff and myself were like, bro, we can speak for the next 5 hours. Because it's such a big topic, guys. Your psychology is such a big topic. Yeah. So that's something I personally dabble into the most, is my psych. Just because I know I'm doing this full time, and it's going to be full time for the rest of my life. So I have to have everything on lock. Bro, I hate that I can't watch the pod, bro. Keeps bugging out to my end. Yeah, unfortunately, when it was streamed, the connection wasn't that great. So even the recording stutters, which unfortunately is the case. It's sad, actually. Because there's a lot of things that I also wanted to repost from it, because I feel like it's such a W of education, but I just can't because it's a stutter. It's a big stutter. But I'm thinking of ideas like how to, we'll do something like that again, for sure. But I mean, the best is right now, guys. If you have any questions, just drop them in the chat. That's the easiest. Drop them in the chat. I'll answer them as best as I can. So for you guys, every day is a free podcast, because I'm here every day. Chris mentioned the other day we'll probably do a part 2 with you. Yeah, They did mention that after the stream, and I'll always be keen to do another part. Always be keen. When was that? Anyone still have gold runners? Where did you take entry, D? Where did you take entry? Share that in the group. Let's check it out. In the group, in the chat. Where was your entry? Where was your stop loss? Where's your TP? Let's check it out, man. I haven't taken any trades today. Oh, from yesterday? Nah, I'm done. I don't know if anybody... I think Jordan had some crazy... Where's my Telegram? I think Jordan had some crazy buys yesterday. Where was that? Oh, this is prior. This was the day before yesterday. Yeah. Look, even like on stream, those buys if you took on stream on both occasions, like it's never come back to the entry. Even Jordan's entry, but this was a record on stream as well. Charles got an awesome setup as well. GG boys, GG. Are you still in, my guy? How much pips profit are you in if you're still holding that position? 1,000. GJ, what's GJ? A lot. So check here. D's birthday the end of the month. I think we must come down to George. Which is daar kom blok. 15 in golfing. W George. I agree, bro. Darren's been talking about his fishing skills, so let's put him to the test. And I'm thinking on short positions here. He's been speaking about those fishing skills. Okay, I have a plan here. I think I will do GJ shorts below the break of the floor of our 15 as well as our 30 flip as well as our 5. Okay. Bro, lifestyle, you guys won't want to go back. Bro, I'm keen to come through. I'll come through. That'll be dope. Okay, let's just keep our focus here, guys. We got GJ opening with little to no bottom wick. If it's gonna break its own wick as well as the previous, I'm gonna look for some short positions down with a 30 pip stop loss, because I don't want to be in the trade if it's gonna break that previous high after coming down and breaking those lows. Okay. That overall target, I think I want to get a bit low. I think this is gonna be my target right here. Wow. Get ready. Get ready for some shorts here, guys. This will be my short. I would love a bigger stop loss, but we can't do a bigger stop loss. So this is going to be a bit of an aggressive position for me. Will I take it? Yes, I will. It meets my requirements, it meets my strategy confluences. This is going to be the trade on GJ for me today. This will be the overall for 35. I targeted that on the left. This area here, which I marked prior, how much pips is that away? It's about 8.5 pips away. So it's just an area I'm going to have to take caution of. It's this lows of that wicks that I marked there. I'm gonna have to take caution of the area, guys. And if we do obviously not get in on the trade, I just won't take it. But at the moment, this looks fresh, this looks good. We've grabbed liquidity, we've broken lows and previous lows. If it's to break that previous low over there on that 30 minute, it should drop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to short it, and I'll tell you when I press that button. Okay. Oh yeah. Gold also coming into liquidity right now. Obviously, closures above that level should be no. Okay. Get ready here. Might be taking positions here. Let's see what she does. We understand how we can lose because of the liquidity on the left hand side. However, every trade has a way you can lose. You know what I mean? So if my setup comes to play, I take it, and I'm not phased whether I win or lose. So we're breaking that floor now. Let's get ready. I'll tell you when I pull that trigger as well, okay? Right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that short trigger over there. I'm in on short positions. TP1 is going to be 10. So this is what I want price to get to. However, if it can't surpass that purple line, which is the liquidity level on the left hand side, I do understand that I will then look to manage position. Overall TP at 35 pips. Let's see how she can run. Okay. Stop up there for 30 pips. Got a nice break of that floor on the 5 minute. Looking for price to tap back in and start to melt away. Everything looking good, boys. Everything looking good. That 4 hour is relatively large, but I'm not too phased with that. Okay. We've got every setup and confluence I need on my lower time frame. We should run to TP1. Management points, I don't have management points, so if I lose the trade, it's going to be a full 30 pip loss. Okay. If I win it, we will go to break even at 10 pips, and we will close partial of that position. Let's see, can she continue down? Let's see if we have the volume. Yo, like I said, I would have loved for my stop to be up there. Obviously, boys, I'm just not going to risk 50 pips. What's the time now? 25 to 11. Got about 10 minutes for the 15 to close. At this point, we should drop. We should hit our TPs. I really need the bathroom, but I'm gonna try and keep it until until we can actually get some volume here. Hou jou in, ja, nee, ek sal my inhou, bro. The trick is you have to blow on you have to blow from the top of your screen down, and then the chart moves faster. So you want to try that, just blow on the top of your screen and then price will come down. That's how I hit TPs. Just blow on the top of the screen. And at this point we should not come and break this resistance right here. This resistance we should not break. However, I do anticipate a retest of that level that we just broke for price to then continue dropping further down. That's what I do anticipate, and that's fine. That's why I'm always so chilled. Yeah, you also this also should not flip its 30-minute back bullish, right? So there might be an area for me to manage if I wanted to, but I don't think I'm going to, guys. I'm just let this thing do what it needs to do. So currently just at break even. Let's see what she does. But yeah, guys, any questions you can let me know. If you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe and then give a like on the current stream. I'd appreciate that. "37 viewers. There's no reason why we shouldn't have more than 30 likes on the stream. Let's check it out. We got 19 likes. That's terrible. Guys, go ahead, like the stream. Give us a fat like. Sisa, only 19 likes? Not the chat. Don't like the chat, like the stream. Guys, I want to run to the bathroom. We'll be fine. You guys will be fine. You have a stop loss in place. You have TPs. You'll be fine. Don't worry. You'll be fine. I'll be back now. Chris was saying pull an Uno reverse card. Yeah. I think that you can do that as well. Get a Uno reverse card. Whenever you enjoy downs, get a Uno reverse card and hold in front of the charts, and then it'll turn. Guys with the jokes this morning. Okay, so the idea behind this is if we can break that current 5-minute low, right? This would have then been the grab of liquidity from that micro resistance, because this is micro areas, by the way, guys. It's nothing big. It's micro areas, right? For price to then sink to our TP1 and possibly further. We've got a 15 close in 2 minutes. I just wanted to close below this level, because that then solidifies that has grabbed liquidity. The next candle to then, so something like this. This is what would be nice. If we can get this candle to close something like that, right? Then the next candle to open up, tap in and start flipping and going. That's what I would like to see on these next two candles. That's what I want to see. Go. We don't want to see this close back bullish, because that means this was a liquidity grab. So in the next minute and 40 seconds, we don't want to see that. If we do, that's not looking good, bruv. But if we close the way I just showed you now, then I've got good news. Mods, how's that likes looking? I'm not gonna go back to YouTube and check it, but drop those likes, boys. And gold, what's gold doing? Gold can't surpass the resistance at the moment. "20 seconds. I just want to see it close below the level. That's all I want. Can she do that for me? Close below the level. Can you do that?" Next one, tap up, break lows, and we should be good. That's at 15 close, right? Splendid. Beautiful. 15 close below the level. This candle to start wicking up, grabbing liquidity, and then to start dropping. I'm only going to be like laid back. Well, I am laid back in the trade, but I mean like really laid back in the trade if we can break that previous 15 low. Until then, yeah, still just letting price do what it needs to. Gold is crazy to be witnessing the break of all-time highs. I feel honored. Yeah, dude, this is crazy. What's happening in markets right now is crazy. We're definitely part of history in the making. That's for sure. That's for sure. I must laugh at this. Look here. Uno reverse cards. That's wild, bro. Okay, so a bit of indecision at this level. I just don't want this 30 to break its own high. That's not going to be good if it does that. I don't know why it made that, but my stop is here, guys, for 30. That's my stop there. Sometimes TradingView does that. It goes to where I played with it before, but stops at 30. I'm not risking any more than that. If I get stopped out, I'm totally fine with that. We are now struggling at this level here. Right? Okay. It should not break its previous high, so it should not break this area. That's where it should not break. There is a little 5-minute rejection area there, so I'm hoping it can tap and drop. Where's those Uno reverse cards? Any UFC in the building? UFC fans. Yeah, Jason. Jason is a UFC cop. Don't know what else. UFC 299 going to be Mal. I don't know what that means, bro. Sam the man, there's no volume. Oh, and Desire. But here's that UFC fans coming through. Chris. Look, I'll watch it, but I just don't like keep up to date with it, you know? I'll watch it. I just don't keep up to date with it. I'll play the game, but I just don't keep up to date with it. Must watch both stream. That's also the other thing. When their matches come out, it's see how cool is he? When the matches come out, it's so early in the morning, bro. I love your tower. Tower? Oh, PC. Thanks, brother. I forget that's what it's called, towers. Appreciate it. Main event is later. Who's fighting? Sia Kulisi and Desmond Tutu. Third weekend, what's wrong? See how first year been. Am I in Cape Town? Nah, I'm not in Cape Town. Subs on YouTube is going up. Thanks, guys. If you here for the first time, you like what you see, drop that sub on my YouTube channel. Appreciate that. And a like. Right, guys, so a bit of a slow slow trade at the moment, but it's fine. We're all good with that. We're all good with that. Can she drop now? Come on, baby girl. I think the last UFC match was actually at Jason's. What are you watching? We're watching the PE dude. That Darren Rousseau dude and another guy. Oh, no, it was Trickers, né? Trickers van der Merwe. That was the last UFC match I watched. I'm a diehard UFC fan since 2010. 2010, what was I doing in 2010? Oh, Soccer World Cup. Soccer World, yeah. I was doing school. Yeah, I was doing school too. I was doing school as well. So should I buy or sell now? Bro, you can do whatever you want to do, my brother. But I'm in some shorts at the moment. My entry is 188,333. Stop loss 188,634. TP1 is 188,234. That's what I'm doing. What you want to do is, that's on you, bro. You can do whatever you want to do. I'm no financial advisor. I just show you guys what I do. Got you, my brother. Never seen your name before, so welcome to the channel. Drop a subscribe, drop a like. Think by yeah. Don't give the man false information now. Don't give him the wrong things here. I'm gonna put you in a timeout, Jordan. Go to the naughty corner. The hustle started. WhatsApp, please. You know, some people's gonna read it and check, oh shit, that's for me. Sorry, Nightbot. Where's the volume, boys? Where's the volume? I want us to form a resistance point here. But we're just not doing that. We're like rejecting the area, but we're not forming a resistance point now, which means it could still pop up. You see there's any micro news events? Nah. Draw down. I don't like that 15 just went and broke that previous high. I don't like that for sure. I wonder what trading gurus are gonna call for NFP tomorrow. What they're gonna call is, they're gonna say, fund you an account with a minimum of 500 Rand with my link, share the screenshot and we'll give you free signals. That's what they're gonna say. Or pay me 200 Rand and we'll add you to the group and we'll tell you to buy or sell. That's what the gurus are going to tell you. Then, even if the signal is wrong, they're going to make bags. Do you only trade or do you have any other business? I'm a full-time trader, and then obviously I have my mentorship group where I teach you guys how to trade. So I know what question you're asking, and yes, trading is my main stream of income. And when they lose, they don't post. Yeah, that's how it is, bro. People don't want to share their losses. I'm transparent as well. I'm doing this live, so you'll see when I lose. Because losses people don't get. You have to lose. It's part of the game. Either you go blue or you blow. Oh, I know exactly who that is. Ferrari, I'm sorry. That's exactly the words. Fuck funny. Buy my course and go trade like the bags. Oh yeah. Okay, boys, I need a bearish candle. Can we get a bearish candle? Just need some sort of resistance. We are seeing a reaction here, which is good. Hourly close also coming now in the next minute. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like that we're gonna be closing bullish, but it's fine. It's fine. We'll hold through it. For me personally, I just want a bearish candle on the 5 just to show me some sort of rejection. $34 live viewers is power only getting started? For sure, my man. For sure. For sure, for sure. It's only been, what? It's been 7 days? Yeah, 7 days, our 7th live stream. However, I've been doing this for 4 years though, so live trading in front of people for 4 years? It's about damn time. It's about damn time. In a minute, we're gonna hit TP. Come on, let's go. Okay, 15 close bullish. Next candle, no bottom wick. Still not convinced that we're gonna go up. Could definitely still drop here, guys. 2 indecision candles doesn't mean we're gonna turn around. I mean, we can, but I mean, our odds are still stacked in favor of our shorts. So on this trade, guys, I'm not gonna manage it. Okay, if I lose, it's gonna be full 30 pips. I won't manage this position. Whatever happens today, happens today. It's all good. Just obviously lack of volume at the moment. That's why we're just sitting sideways. What time was this trade executed? $10:34. So we've been in the trade for about half an hour now. I just don't want it to tap into liquidity and then drop. It will be unfortunate, but this is just where I had to have my stop, guys. I'm not going to risk more than 30 pips. Those are just rules that I have to have for myself. Because I do understand we could come back, grab liquidity at the highs and then drop, because I am at a break in a retest sort of area. But for me personally, I don't want to risk that much. So I'll rather take the L and come back in again, if that makes any sense. At this point, you don't want it to break that previous 30 high. So it shouldn't do that. If it does that, that's not good. I can tell you that right now. What are we, like? About 10 pips in drawdown. That area is about 15 pips. For those that want to manage, can manage. For me personally, I'm not going to manage the position. I'm just going to let this trade breathe and do what it needs to do. I don't want to be too aggressive with this. However, I do understand that if I'm going to retest, it's going to be that level there. But if I can break these lows, we should come down. Let's see in the chat while we wait. Much old chat, past time. What do you guys trade in the chat? What pairs is what's your favorite, or let me say, what's your favorite pair to trade in the chat? Let's see. What is it? Gold, GJ, US30, Euro USD. What do you guys trading? What's your favorite pair? Only gold for you. So you only trade gold. What is gold doing, by the way? Also just sitting, eh? Where's the volume at, man? It's gold and Nasdaq. Okay. Only gold. Okay. Only gold, nothing else. Okay. Gold, GJ, US30, and some crypto. Alright, broski. GJ, EJ, and gold. Yo, I haven't actually looked at an EJ chart in years. EJ, yo, I used to trade that quite frequently actually. Euro yen and AUD yen. I used to trade that quite frequently when I was a swing trader. Vince Cornelius Jordan. XAU1. So you trade Jordan. Vince Donia. Oh, is it 2Gs, Mensa? In my chat? Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am a range there. A mod. I'm a ranch. I like your vibes, so staying here for London. Cool, my brother, you here? You're more than welcome here anytime, man. Me too, Sam. Chill here, bro. Guys, y'all, welcome to chill. Welcome to stay. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Every time I want to say where's the volume, then it goes the opposite way, so let me not just say anything there. Hi, are you in this trade? Tuan Huang. Yebo, I am in shorts. I'm in shorts 188,333. I'm in sales. Tuan Huang. Are you also from 2Gs? Tuan Huang. Vince is John Wick or that chat. Anyone try stirring shit, it's late for them. Thanks, good luck. Thank you, I appreciate that. Atan Wang, before you leave, subscribe and like the channel. Atan Wang. Miles away from Cape Town. Born Cape Town, raised Port Elizabeth. So I'm in Port Elizabeth. You know what's nice? Like, being able to go into the stream analytics after the stream and just see like where the people come from. Atan Wang, are you from the 2Gs chat? Atan Wang. Here we go. I don't know about here we go, bro. I don't know yet, eh? I don't know. I'm just holding at the moment. What you mean? Okay, then you're not. No, never mind. Sorry. Never mind, my brother. There's no volume. There's no volume. There's no volume. Sitting at the 5-minute resistance right now. Yeah, boys, I'm just not going to manage the position. If I lose it, I lose it. It is what it is. I just won't manage it. Just because there's a probability it could still drop from this this area. Like and sub is just donkey. Oh, thank you. PE compared to Cape Town? I'll answer that now because I have a... Do you journal your trades? Yes, I do. So it'll be on stream, so you guys can see on your screen right now every trade that I take. And then over here, you've got the MFX journal. So this is all the trades journaled. If you want the journal, you can let me know. I'll give it to you. This is all the trades I take. The date, the pair, the session, what I did, the entry time, the close time, the pips gained or lost, did I win or lose, the entry types, what is that? There's only 4 entry ways I get in, and then time frame. How can we get the journal template? I'm gonna put it. I didn't have such a big like response for it yesterday, so I see people do want it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the description for tomorrow. Then you guys can just download it, okay? So tomorrow when you pull up... Oh wait, tomorrow is just MFX members only. Send me a DM on IG or something. And I'll get it out to you. But yeah, I'll definitely share it with you guys, it's no problem. Mastery manifest could be making a low high for sure, dude. It could definitely be doing that. That's why I don't want to over manage it, boys. Could definitely still be making a lower high for it to drop. I really hope that's the case. Using the dark mode, my type of guy, yeah. It's just for my eyes, to be honest with you. The white drains my eyes. Showing love from 2G seems. Donkey, thank you. Thanks, Miles. We're gonna keep supporting you, bro. I appreciate that, bro, man. Erladonia, Hercules, Vincedonia. I told Peach Nation to come join the broski. Oh, wait, shot. Jeez, 44 viewers. You know what to do. Like and subscribe. Chris, that Jax 100 PE or Cape Town. Bro, I'll always say Cape Town. Even though I grew up here, but it's any place is what you make of it. Because Cape Town can suck if you don't, you know? Any place can suck. It's what you make of the place. There's just a lot more to do in Cape Town. And it also depends, like, what line of work you are in, I guess. If you're obviously an entrepreneur, you want to be in a city where you can network with a lot of people. So then obviously a bigger city would suit you. So yeah, I think the conclusion there is just like, it's what you make of it. Looking at GJ pulling back to 157, 200. Where's that? 200. Was looking at longs around there. Okay. Good, my brother. Hope you're keeping well for sure. MFX guys, are you guys good? Awfully quiet today. Something wrong. Nah, maybe do. can't be your name, guy. Something Wong. Aye. That's your name, bro. Nah, you guys are trolling me, bro. No fucking ways. Am I trading? Yes, I am. I'm in a trade, bro. This nigga's trolling me, bro. Your name can't be something Wong. And what is the other one's name? Atan Wang and something Wong. Julle speel met my. Is julle neefies of wat? Sounds more like Leon. Just I think it's fucking Leon sister pulling my leg today, bro. Cockfighting. Okay, so we formed a 15 resistance at that area that I marked out, guys. That could just be the pullback to that level. Yeah, I've got a beautiful resistance there now, actually. That should be the liquidity graph for price to drop. Mark for me also familiar. Yeah, Mark he pulls up to my stream first. This guy's dedicated, bro. But he's also, I think he's also from your guys' side. What Wong is going to pop up now in the chat? Yes. Guys, we are struggling at this area. Struggle. Yeah, I don't think he understands Yebo and Tangi. My bad. Now we'll keep it English. Yo, check the pimpers here in the group. In the chat. Pimpers. Crazy. But yo, guys, on the trade front, sitting at break even pretty much right now. Price is just ranging, guys, to be very honest with you. We've got a beautiful resistance there, which I think was the lower high, so I would like to see price start to melt. May the volume be with us. What's it? Star Wars fan here. What broker should I use when starting out? Check in my description. My link is in the description. Click on that link. It will sign you up with my broker. Not my broker, but the broker that I use. That's what I can tell you there, my G. Just tap your PC screen a bit, should I? Something wrong. Are you asking me, do I trade NAS? If that's for me, I do not trade NAS. I'm a GJ and gold type of guy. I only trade that 2 pairs. I'll touch on US30 in the blue moons. But strictly GJ and strictly gold. That is my bread and butter. Guys, we've formed this lower high. If we can't break support, obviously that will be the issue. But right now, the break of the low should drop. Got my resistance that I wanted. We should hit that TP1. Just need to break that 5-minute floor, boys. Once we can break that 5-minute floor, we should be good. Are you trading with a prop firm or personal capital? Personal capital. Like I said, when I started in 2017, there was no such thing really as prop firms. So I've had to make my own way up. I've been trading now for 7 years. Seven years going strong. I'll be until I die. Do I take Asia highs and Asia lows in consideration? No, I don't. I don't care about that. Your pod was super dope on the 2Gs, Miles. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, guys, if you haven't watched that podcast on the 2Gs, go watch it. I know it is a bit of, like, it does lag a bit because of the connection when we did do the stream, but just go watch it. There's a lot of knowledge that I dropped in there. They asked great questions as well, so go watch it. I think it has like 1K views at the moment, which isn't enough. Go watch it more. Do you only trade London sessions or Asia? I only do London sessions. However, if I do not get a position in London, I'll trade New York, but that will only be for the MFX members only. So London is straight for the YouTube live as well as the MFX members, compared to New York just being strictly MFX members. MFX members is my company, Millennial Forex. Okay? Millennial FX. Just so you guys know what MFX means. Something wrong. I'm convinced that's not your name. Your English is beautiful, my friend. That's not your name. Does the audio lag or just the video? Because I never got through it enough because of the lag. Bro, I don't know what it is, but like the live, when I got back home and I did the live watching or whatever, yeah, I think it's, I don't know, I think it was the connection. So everything was like a delay. Who obviously set up my website. Well, the platform I use, I did myself. All content, everything on there is me. It's all Miles van Wyk. All Jordan's prizes, yeah, it seems like it. The whole of his what's it? Security team. Okay, now I'm at the point, so everybody pay deep attention now, because I'm going to teach you something beautiful. Now you're at the point where you've broken that floor, you've come up for your liquidity grab. There's no need for you to go back in drawdown and lose 30 pips now. So what you should be doing is managing the position to a 17 pip stop loss now. You're saving yourself 13 pips. Okay, so if it does turn around and go back up, pop your stop, let's do 20, okay? Pop your stop loss at 20 pips, you save yourself 10. Because technically, according to your candlestick anatomy, after breaking these lower lows, price should drive. And if it's not going to do that, it's going to pull back. Bro, why are you going to go lose 30 pips? You shouldn't. And for me personally, what I'm going to be doing is, we have now moved 8.3 pips into profit. If price is going to come back to my break-even point, what I'll then do is I will close half my position at break-even, let the other half run, so that if that loses, I actually only essentially lose 10 pips because it'll hit a 20 pip stop. Do you guys see how I manage my positions? Everything is about capital management. Everything is capital management. It's not about how many times can I win, or bro, it's all capital management. Because technically now, this should run to my TP1, if you know what I mean. So, there's no need for me to go and lose a full position on 30 pips right now. So for me personally, I'm going to close half. If it comes to break even, I close half. Okay? And then if it is stop loss, it only hits 20, which means that if I lose this position, guys, I'm only losing 10 pips, which means I've saved myself 20 pips on this trade. However, I've still opened up the capital risk so that it can still hit my take profits. You with me? I hope you guys understand that. So obviously I'm 10 pips out of the position. I'm half out of the position. I'm letting the rest run. Whatever happens, happens from here, boys. If we decide to reject and drive up, I'm cool. That was 1.7 pips away from TP1. What lot size do I trade with? Yo, brother, you'll probably get a heart attack if you know how big I trade. So I trade, for reference, 1.5% of my account. Go watch that stream. It's gonna probably answer a lot of your questions because then you'll know where I'm at in this career. I'm a six-figure trader. Been doing this for the past 7 years. Almost said 70 years. Hey, fucking Darren, don't out me, bro. Yes. This guy. Do I trade multiple accounts? No, I don't. One account. One account, bro. Find that trading multiple accounts, if they aren't set up to copy trader, can really play with you. And my students will know that because we did this thing where we help the people pass their funded, and then I'll trade the fund with the guys and I'll trade my personal, and then I'll forget to close my personal account because I'm so focused on them with the funded, you know what I mean? So yeah, I don't do that game no more. 100 lots barcode in trades. That's it, bro. Barcode. That's the way forward. Barcode. TSC. The South African industry in Forex has really fucked people over up when it comes to trading. Barcoding is not the way, my guys. Gotta do that risk. Fuck barcoding, fuck stacking, all that bullshit. Stop that shit. Okay guys, I have half the position open, which means that if I lose this, it's only 10 pips. So let's see how she goes. In the meantime, I'll be back. Is barcoding at FX Gold story? I don't know, dude. Majority of SA gurus do barcoding. Barcoding is like buying a million times in one area. That's when they have no risk management. Am I using MetaTrader? Yes, I am. Yo, you guys are only having issues with the funded because obviously that is US-based companies. That's why you guys got to move to like C-Trader and DX-Trade. But MetaTrader all the way for the win with the broker that I use. Let's see what else is going on here. Yeah, I think a lot of guys here from 2Gs. Chris, Keegan, and Javy's gonna put you guys in a chokehold tomorrow. Yeah, that's how it goes, bro. So I say this industry is, bruh, it's not the nicest. That's why we're trying to be the light in the community. You know what I mean? Show people how to actually trade. Lacquer, Ricky, my brother. Lacquer. See you tomorrow. Okay guys, that's stop loss for me on half the position, so that's only 10 pips. We were 8.3 pips in profit, however it's not worth me even grabbing that, so yeah.
I was just gonna ask why you had a purple line and why did it
Nah, it's yeah. So why I didn't take profit at that level, guys? I had the idea which I managed perfectly, which was I'll rather allow the trade to possibly continue further if it can, and then I close half at break even, and then the other half will be at my 20 pips, which essentially is 10 pips on the over position. So obviously you could have closed at break even full, you could have taken profit, that's totally up to you, but how I managed the position is I knew that worst case scenario I only lose 10 pips. So that's how I did it there. So that's how I played that trade, and it played out fine for me. Let's read. Geek Sample there. Mark 24 report, baby. What did you do before you traded? I was studying. And I'm a dropout. Faux you trade knees events miles. Did you nah, I don't trade news. How long have you been trading? 7 years, bro. 7 years. 7 years. 7 years. It's actually damn long, bro. 7 years. It's where you. So nice we bought it. Yeah. But GG today, boys. I hope I taught you guys a lot today. We need a name for the community here. MFX members, there's your name. MFX members. Done. Millennial FX for the win. MFX way, baby. Yeah, so guys, drop a... Today you take trade. Yeah, I took a trade, broski. A beautiful trade in my eyes, even though it didn't run. Management was beautiful. Yeah, but guys, W's in the chat if you understood how I took the trade, how I managed the position. If you understand everything that happened today, just pop a W in the chat, just so I know that you guys are with me. Got you. Can we put Daz in the timeout? Ah, we can, bro. Can put that. Yeah, chuck me a timeout. That was not a W. Yeah, I didn't win the trade, but everything else around it was a W. So when you start understanding what trading is, then we can have a chat, boy. I'm a trader for 4 years. Lekker. Well done. Keep it up. Don't stop. Something wrong. Yeah, so I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. I'm just gonna take that one position today. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that one position today, guys. I'll be on tomorrow, but with MFX members only in our private session. So let's end off the stream with a lovely wordle. I know you guys are gonna miss me. But it's okay. See you tomorrow going for a swim. Enjoy, bro. Enjoy. W Wordle. Who's keen for Wordle? Pop some W's in the chat if you're keen for some Wordles. We have 43 people, so we're gonna kill this one quick. 1v1 me in COD. Where's Mark? Mark, I know for a fact Mark is waiting for this Wordle, bro. Let me just update these trades here. I'll do the percentage later because obviously that I need to calculate, but let me just add another L because someone's getting touched here because of a loss. Da 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 da. Look here. My mods, we have to deal with this other mod after the stream, mate. Oh, you guys are crazy. Okay, I'm gonna do this wordle, guys. Okay, let's get it. Let's do this wordle. Da 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 da. Yeah, and then lastly, boys, just let me check. Just drop a like on the stream before you bounce. And once you guys start to understand that trading is more than just winning, you'll learn a lot. The wins are easy, they come regardless. It's your account management, so I'm just trying to get this to focus on me. Oh, look, winning is easy, bro. Anybody can win a trade. Your account management, your trade management, that's the most important thing. Guys, I don't know why this thing is blurry. Why is it blurry? Is it clear on your side? It's not clear on my side. We should set parameters that you can't watch stream until your likes are subscribed. Damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. I don't think I'll be that harsh. Let me just update that trade's taken as well. GBP, JPY, my girl, minus 10 pips for you today. And then, let me see what I do it on stream. Guys, this is our update. My journal, you'll see in front of you. So the date, obviously the 7th today. Of the 3rd month of 2024. What pair was that? It was GJ. I traded that in London. I sold GJ. And I think, what time? I think I executed opus 10, right? 10:34. 10:34. Exited 11:30. Same as yesterday. Hectic. And it was a 10 pip loss, and today we lost. So we pretty much just lost yesterday's trade. You know what I mean? But like I explained, every single day I take a trade. You don't focus on what happens prior, you just focus on trading every day as it comes. Then you go back in your journal, like this for example, then you go back in your journal and you add up that, and then you see if you're profitable. And then you know what? You are. Which means that every day, if I win or lose, it doesn't matter. Because my win rate is still moving. 80% win rate, boy. Yeah, let's get this wordle. I think with today's word, what are we going to start with? What are we going to start with? Any takers? Let me get this chat. Let me fix members, we're good, right? Let me get that chat going. Okay. I'm gonna go with price, Chris, just because I've always done trade or forex. Let's go with price, right? Okay, so ease. Oh, I'm a visual person, so I need to visually see the word. So I always have to write it down. Final word is, final letter is E, right? Got E over there. We've got C, but it's in the wrong place. Oh, a word with C and E at the end. Chase. I can't do beach or break because they don't have C, so I'm gonna go chase. Before I click it, do you guys approve? Any other ideas? Okay, so I think I'm gonna go chase, right? Okay, so C and E is in the right place. 3 letters we are missing. Wow. Any takers? Mark, get that dictionary fingers out. Choke. Can't be choke because there's H and it's not supposed to be there. Crepe. Can't be crepe because the R is not in the word. No, bro, I'm not even gonna lie, guys. My brain is fried. So today is all on you guys. What are we doing? Mark? We're all relying on Mark right now. Mark was the guy in school that did all the work and they would just copy his homework from him. that was Mark, bro. Wait, my screen is blurry. Is it blurry? Is the stream blurry? Check, how's that on your guys' side? Mods, are we good? Check that screen out for me.
No, it's fine, Mark.
Fine. Okay, now that you replied so quick to me, kan je helpen met die woord? Just go to see. Yeah. Oh, we're waiting for Mark to up his quality. We're all relying on Mark. I was actually joking. Any takers? Any takers? Nobody? Are you guys as dead in the brain as me today? Cycle. See, now the bra that's supposed to know that word didn't even comment. 2 smokes. That's for you. Cycle. Cycle. I'm gonna go cycle because nobody else is saying anything. It's C-Y-C-L-E. C-Y-C-L-E. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, L is in the word. So it starts with a C. L goes... I know the word. Do you want to know the word? Clone. That's the word. Martian Manifest also says clone, right? It can't be close. It's either clove or clone. I'm gonna go clone because that's what popped up into my head first. So C-L-O-N-E. W's in the chat if you can let me go for clone. I think so because I don't want to mess up these last couple of words and then we have a close call like yesterday. Yesterday was a close call. I think we won in the last one. Or we got it right in the last one. W's W. Clone? If it's not clone, I'm gonna try clove. boss. Boss. That was me and Mastery Manifest. You and I. GG, bro. GG. Guys, we're actually killing these worlds. It's a like little brain. A brain play. I was gonna do 2 letter connects and then I'm gonna call it a session. Yeah, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. But just note, Fridays is MFX members only. So if you want to be part of that, just join the Patreon and you'll be part of all of those things. But yeah, for the YouTube guys that's going to stay on YouTube, I'll see you guys Monday, okay? And then we'll kill it again. So let's have a look what we did for the week actually on YouTube. If it's one thing I can teach you guys is how I just don't get phased. What was the start of the week? Let me just get my calendar out. Start of the week was the 4th, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Monday was the 4th. So Monday we jumped onto stream and we got 55 pips, right? Won that. Tuesday we got onto stream, got 32 pips, got that. Wednesday we got onto stream, we lost 26 pips. Yesterday, Thursday, what? Oh, this was in the same day. Oh, this was double yesterday. My bad. Then yesterday also we came back with a 10 pip win, and then today we lost 10 pips. Why did I put it there? Today we lost 10 pips, right? So let's do a tally, just to see what we did for the week. So we won 55 plus 32 minus 26 plus 10 minus 10. That's ridiculous, because I definitely didn't calculate that right. Or did I? 55 plus 32 minus 26. So we up 61 pips for the week. 61 pips for the week, boys. All caught live in front of you. In front of you. So already it's a W for me for the week. Tomorrow I will take another trade though. Yeah, let's quickly do a word connect and I'm gonna call it a session. ABLT. So I'm gonna do tab. No, AB, no, tab. Tab, lat, for my lats. Table. Okay, before I even go on, I want to read this. Forex money machine. Hi Miles, I'm late to the stream, bro. That gold trade you took on Monday helped me identify a flaw in my strategy, corrected it, and now back testing a win rate up 70% on test. Bro, W. Nice, nice, nice. Well done, G. Yeah, when Mark pulls up to a work connect, I don't know, like he just flips the switch and he starts killing it. So what you got? Bat. We got beat. Battle has 2 L's or 2 T's. There's 2 of something, that's for sure. Late. No. Late. 8. Tail, yeah, for sure. Teal. 3-letter word. Able. Crane enable. 3-letter words. Let's see that I missed anything. 8. Did I have 8? I got 8. Eat. What's that? Last 3-letter word. Let. Let or tet. Let. Guys, we're going up level by level every day, but you know, it's not getting more difficult. I thought it was going to get like super difficult. I don't feel like it's getting difficult. I think we need a new game. I think Monday I'm going to think Monday I'm gonna pull up with a new game, guys. I know this is Mark's favorite game, but I think we're gonna keep it. We need something more testing, you know. Delta. Delt. Oh, that's already 5 words, right? Some online chess. Don't know about chess, bro. I don't know, like, how are we gonna play chess as multiple people? Yeah, we've had a boss ass week so far. Lated. Late. Good. I think we already have the 5th letter there, Uncle Robbie. Ted. Before I even go on, I don't know if I see the viewers have dropped. We're still at our normal viewer rate, but it's out of curiosity, if you're still here, Something Wong, if that's your real name, say, I don't believe it though, press Y. I'm so curious. Something Wong. Can't be. I don't believe that shit. Okay. Tad. T. Oh, I like tea, guys. I like tea. Deal for sure. Shop Diza, I'll see you Monday. Late. Oh, we have late already. Late. Teal. Didn't we do that in the last one? I feel like some of the words are so repetitive, so this is the last time I want to play this game. I think we need a new game, guys. For sure. Lead, right? Lad. Ale. Ginger ale. I say. Cool. Let's do a quick another one. ID. Rig. Dig. Grid. So something wrong is here. Something wrong is that your name? Is that your name? Something wrong. I just found it so funny that something wrong pulled up straight after Wu Tang Ming. What's the guy's name? What's the guy's name? I think he's related to Funny Guy. Look funny. Trader Traven, JPY bullish. Just rewind my stream. You'll see I broke down the entire chart for you in the beginning. Trader Traven, and while you're here, subscribe and like the channel. Red. Nobody saw red. Dire. Ridge. Got you, my brother. Sure. 100% my brother. 4 coughs. Hey. No swear words hier aan die stream, guys. Jy gaat vir julle almal in timeout sit. Can we focus on the game? I need help. Ah, not that. Rude. Read. Del. Is it again here? Can't be. Del. There's no. What? Ride. For sure. Guys, we got 2 words. Let me see. What don't we have? Tire. Don't we have that? Okay. Red. I got red already. You're giving the other kids a chance. No, they don't want chances. We're all circling on this word. We're gonna be here till tomorrow. Red? Red? Do we have? We all got red already? Drake. Red. No, I got red. What's this last one? Well, I can't even think of it. Dig. We got dig. No, we don't have dig. Yeah, we got dig. No. Rig. Got rig. Reg. Reg. Yay! Uncle Rob's with the closer. Okay. My guys, I just want to say thank you for the support this week. We've had a beautiful week. Wins and losses came through. However, we stood on top. We're sitting on 60, I think 64 pips profit for the week. So well done on that. If there's something you can take away from today's stream and all the other streams, is my trade management. Management of the position. Management. Even though you win trades, how you manage the losers is important. Like today, we could have lost 30 pips. We only lost 10. Obviously, with some, you could have maybe closed out to break even. You could have taken that 8 pips profits you had. But this is how I manage the position. But other than that, guys, I just want to say thank you for supporting me. Thank you for joining me. W Miles Transparency as finance. Yo, dude, gotta be transparent. This is what trading is. This is what trading is, bro. And I'll show it in front of everybody. But guys, thank you so much for joining. MFX members, I'll see you tomorrow. But yeah, have a lovely day. And God bless. Cheers, boys.